Look at all these goodies. Ignore the music in the background. That's copyrighted. I'm not trying to record that. I'm trying to record what I'm seeing. I have to kind of say that because, you know, the police made a police tripping. Anyway, now I understand the Turkish delights. I now understand. So delicious. Here are free samples to taste. All the baklavas, different goodies, different desserts. Delicious. I'm not eating those because I don't know. I've had enough Turkish delight today. Look how pretty they are. Look at that. Yum, 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 yum. Look at that. 725 per kilogram. You don't really need a kilogram of lavas. One is plenty. A bite is good. Taste. Delicious.